Hey guys, in this video we will see how we can download Java Jdk with IntelliJ IDEA IDE. So for downloading JDK, just open your favorite web browser and Google for download JDK, and you will see the first link from oracle.com. So we have to open the first one. So in here we have to go down, scroll down and search for Java SE development kit 15.0.2. So the version of Java right now is 15.0.2 at the time of making this video. So as I'm using Windows, so I will download Java development kit for Windows. So just search for Windows uh, option here. So mine architecture is 64-bit, so I will download Windows 64 installer from this link. So I'll just click on this link and the license agreement will show up. You can read this. So it is a 160 MB file, so it will take time depending on your internet connection. So let the download complete. So as you can see here, my uh, download is completed. So I will open the file. So you can see the installer for Java development kit is started. Now we have to click next here. This is the welcome screen window. And this is the installation directory where the Java development kit will be installed. And so I'll keep this as default and click next. And now the installation, so it will take 1 to 2 minutes for installing JDK. So we will keep this aside, and now we will go to our web browser and open a new tab and search for IntelliJ IDEA. So the first link which will come here is from the jetbrains.com. So we have to open the first link, and in here we have to search for the download button. So you can see this is the download button. So I'll just click the download button, and here there are two versions of IntelliJ IDEA. So we have to download the community version because the ultimate version is paid. You will get the 30-day trial, and after that you have to pay for it. So I will download community version. uh, so for Windows we need .exe file, so we can change from here. We can download the zip file also and the exe file also. So I will download the exe file. So this one is also a big file, so you need a strong internet connection for that. And now we will go to our JDK installation. So you can see here the JDK is installed successfully on our operating system. So I'll close this and wait for the download to be completed. So as you can see, my download is completed. So I'll open the file. So this is the installer window, and the first is welcome to IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition setup. So I'll just click next here, and this is the installation directory where IntelliJ IDEA will be installed. So it required space about 1.2 GB. So you have to check first whether you have at least the 1.2 GB of space on your PC. So I'll keep this default and click next. And we have to keep all this option default except the update path variable, add launchers dir to the path. We have to select this checkbox. It is important. It will add the launchers, the JDK to the path of our operating system. uh, you can select this option also. If you want to add open folder as project option to your right click menu, so you can also check this checkbox. So I don't need this option, so I'll keep this as default and click next. And now here I will just click on the install button. So here the installation is completed, and if you want to reboot your system now, so you can select the reboot now option. Otherwise, if you want to manually reboot your computer, you can select this one also. So I'll select the I want to manually reboot later option and click on the finish button. And now IntelliJ IDEA is successfully installed on our operating system. So I'll check that whether IntelliJ IDEA is installed or not. So I'll go to the start and search for IntelliJ IDEA, and so here you can see it is showing IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. So I'll open this and we will create a Java project in IntelliJ IDEA, and we will see how IntelliJ IDEA can be set up on Windows 10. So if you have any uh, settings you want to import in this IntelliJ IDEA, so you can import it from here. So I don't have any settings, so I'll click on do not import settings and click OK. Now it will start IntelliJ IDEA and such type of window will open. So from here I will select new project. We want to create a new project, so we can create the new project from here, and this is the option for opening a project. So a new project window will open. So here the project SDK, you can see here the version 15.0.2 JDK version is already installed on our PC, so it will auto detect. So in this case, some of the PC don't detect whether if you have installed JDK or not. So for that you have to go to the path variables and set the path for JDK. If you don't know how to set the path for JDK, you can watch my videos where I have shown you how we can set up the JDK path, so you can watch the videos. So from here I will just keep this all default and Java will be selected, and go click on the next button and select this option create project from template and command line app and click next. And I'll give a name to my project, so it will be hello, and the project location will be this. So I will change it. I'll go and keep this on my desktop and click on the finish button here, and now my project will be started. So IntelliJ IDEA is showing me the tips, so you can uh, read this all tips. I'll close this. I'll maximize my window, and here you can see a main.java file is already created for us, and we have the class and the method, main method in it. So we can write our code here. So I'll just write some code. So we can run our program from here. So I'll run the program. So here you can see our output is hello world. So it is working. So this is all about IntelliJ IDEA and the Java development kit. We can also customize our IntelliJ IDEA. So for that we have to go to the settings. uh, from settings you can go to the appearance and behavior section, and in there you can select the appearance and then theme. So if you want a light theme, you can select it from here. So light theme will be like this, and the Windows 10 light. So the Windows 10 uh, theme will be installed. You can see the Windows button, Windows type of button here. So I'll keep it dark, because I love dark themes. So we can install other themes from the internet. So for that we have to go to the plugins section and to the marketplace, and I know a theme called Material UI. So I'll install it for so I'll install the Material UI theme. So I'll just search for Material UI. So you can see a Material theme UI. So we have to install this. Click on the install button for installing Material UI. So it will need a restart of IDEs. Okay, and I will also install the atom material icons. So if I restart my IDE, the IDE will be changed, the theme will be different. So wait for the IDE to be restarted. So you can see the theme is installed and applied. So you can see our theme is Material UI. You can also change its theme also. You can select here high contrast, so it will look like this. And if you select the light version, I think there's a light version also. So atom 1 light. So if you select this, it will look like this. You can also change the font of IntelliJ IDEA. For that you have to select the use custom font option and go, and if I select this font which is very bad and apply it, so my IntelliJ IDEA will look like this. So I'll keep this to sans serif. Sans serif is good, so I'll keep this to sans serif. And we can also select the size here. So if I click on 18, so all the icons will be bigger in size, I think. Yes, I'll keep this to 12. 12 is good. So in this way you can customize your IntelliJ IDEA. So this is it for this video. Hope you like the video and comment your thoughts below. If you want more videos about installation and all the things, you can comment down. And if you are getting any error, so please comment down, I'll reply you. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.